Today's topic is struggle. Did you know that everyone has a struggle? You may be struggling with trying to quit smoking, while another person may be struggling with studying for their exams. It is our responsibility to take the time out in understanding the struggle that another individual is going through. Black struggle, white struggle, your struggle may be unique and different from mine, but you best believe that it may have the same impact on our lives. Everyone deserves a voice to voice their opinion in whatever struggles they are going through. It is for us to treat it with the same respect and regards as if it was our own struggle. We share this world together, and it is our duty to make the best of our world. Share a thought with your friend today.
Hi, alright. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.